Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and welcome to our video on the best Mac cleaning apps. You'll find the links to the apps in the description. Make sure to watch until the end to know our verdict on CleanMyMac X, best for cleaning and anti-malware capabilities. This app is a combination of anti-malware and cleaning functions, making it the most comprehensive cleaner on our list. Among its unique features is its System Junk, which operates a thorough scan of your computer's storage and uninstalls unnecessary apps. Despite its numerous cleaning features, we were surprised to notice that it didn't include a duplicate file finder function. However, its status as an Apple-approved app means it's safe for all Mac users to install and use. The best app is CleanMyMac X, because of its comprehensive cleaning modules that keep your machine optimized and clean at all times. Thanks for watching. Till next time.